Hi guys. Ooh. Sorry, I don't want to single hair out of place, so excuse-moi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's your one and only, it's your contour queen, it's your no snatcher, VanessaK7, and I'm back with another video. I have gained so many new subscribers. Hi guys. I'm so Nikki, I'm so sorry. Cut straight to the point without rambling on for the whole of London and the UK and Prime Minister. I'm here with a foundation review. I am reviewing the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, got full coverage foundation in the shade Mocha. I haven't done a foundation review since NARS, and if you know me guys, I love a rich pigmented foundation for women of colour. But I've heard so much about this foundation. It was £15. I got it from Boots in the UK, drugstore if you're US based. I understand that I'm a lot of you guys' shade in real life, so it's good, you know, it's good to have as many reviews as possible. And like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, then get to subscribe. I'm just losing my mind. I'm just too excited to film for you guys. I don't know where all the excitement is coming from. The hate has really brought some new joy into my life. I'm scared. I'm actually scared guys now. And Jackie Ainas one looks perfect, but Jennie was saying that in this shade as well, Jennie said that it appeared a bit grey olive on her, but it looks fine on camera. But that's what I'm saying, you don't really know, so hopefully. Okay, do you know what guys, you can't even see that. That has gone right into my skin. It's there guys, by the way, it's here. Okay, I think if this matches me perfectly, I've changed the game. Because this will be the second time in a row where I have literally just looked on online reviews and makeup videos and foundation videos, and I've just picked my shade off the shelf. I haven't even tried it. I don't even go to MUAs in makeup stores anymore. I just literally watch reviews. It's crazy. Okay. You are... Oh, the devil's a liar. He's a liar. Guys, that is it. That's the foundation review on my top. It's over. Okay. It's a lot of product. It's a lot of product. One pump is... I think I did it guys. What do you guys think? Okay, let me just carry on before you guys say, Vanessa, like, you still got a lot of blending to do. Because if you look at my chest guys, my chest is a little bit lighter than the foundation, but I'm not too fast in the sense that when I highlight and when I contour, it's gonna brighten everything up. The most important part of this whole tutorial is when I take a picture, because there better be no flashback. I'm not here for no flashback. Let me finish off the rest of my makeup, so I will be back. I can definitely see a difference in my makeup, even through the highlighter and my concealer. I don't know, there's just something. After I've done my under eye concealer, everything looks nice together, because before that I felt like it was a tiny bit muddy. I would wear this again. If I wear it again, it means it's good. And my face looks pretty matte. I didn't set my whole face, I normally just set my under eye concealer, but my face feels and looks matte. But I want to give you guys the flashback test, because you guys already know, if it doesn't look good on the camera, it ain't good makeup, okay? Or I just haven't done it properly, but we'll find out either way. Oh. Do you know what? I spoke to you soon about drugstore foundation, how about that? I've been sleeping on MAC makeup for a very long time, child. I'll be back in 6 hours time Hi guys, so I am back. It has been literally 6 hours. The only place that has gone oily a bit is around my nose, so if I move my face in the light, you can see I've got a bit of shine on my forehead and that area, and my highlighted area of course, but as I move my face in the light, you can see where the oil's built up just a tiny bit, but it hasn't really moved. This makeup doesn't really move. Let me take my towel for example. If you're about to kiss your boyfriend, obviously, or he has a white shirt. If you got a white shirt on, let's do the white shirt test, yeah. Hey babe. Hey babe. Hey babe. Oh, give me a hug. Okay. Not much. Oh. I'm not lying, I'm doing other tests. Really good for soft glam as well actually, because it doesn't actually, it's not as harsh and as red and as strong as I'd say the NARS if we was comparing it to NARS. That's one thing I noticed as well, so it's really good for soft glam. It looked a bit like dirty at first, like almost muddy. Almost started off a bit muddy and a bit dirty at first, which I think that was what Jennie was talking about in a video. But then after you apply the highlight and your contour and your normal face makeup, over time it started to like blend really well, especially when I was like on Snapchat making videos, taking pictures. It oxidizes very nicely. I might even just do a full face of drugstore products, who knows, depending on what the comments are like. Well, depends on what you lot are saying. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Actually give it a thumbs up. Also share my videos and tag me as well. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys all for all the support. I see the lovely comments, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.